Kani gade ka Pati CTV.
Henen kasngi ka khatnyo turek urisau ka wei ne ki sengsain perthai ka bahe akari India hi borak wei ka basancharu hak sarkar pedang menta ka Bharatiya Janata Party kala penbena ki kertong banyakhon hakani ke election MDC siteng samai haki constituency ki bela eno kam de kitoki kertong ki balong ru ki MLA ka BJP Meghalaya State Union henen ka janmet kala penbena ki kerteng jungkin rengot ki kertong bakon thop yu ba hubot marbanyang ubanyakhon na laban mauprem constituency ikong mamiri nongklau nong krem uba kenteu lang semle nong spung soyong uba councillor sing walang nong klau mairang uba thunder sing warjri na paryong mau tharaisan moduba denastar paryong na rembra jerngam constituency habakran hakinong puthai khobor kinong ilam jong kaseng BJP kilapan pau bakawei nakimat banai ra sikipat ba kadai halor ka jingmi khobor hakini khindiat singi brala kata halor ka jing ajimot jong katto ka ne ki kenhon hakari India man pendo no yaki autonomous district council ka ba ka BJP jong ne ka jela kamanjor daleleru.
The BJP's major concern is the threat posing the existence of the district councils in the state of Meghalaya. The BJP would like to address the different stand taken by some agencies or organizations to abolish the district councils, which came up in the press in the last few days. In spite of such demands reaching the central government, the state BJP would like to make a clear statement that it is not in favor of such moves. The party has keenly observed the functioning of the district councils and felt that over the years the council have not been able to take the opportunity offered through the 6th schedule for the protection and preservation of the tribal and the indigenous interest of the state. The Para 12A is not a stumbling block for any initiative if the district council are genuinely concerned to live up with the aspiration of the 6th schedule. The party feels that the successive government have failed to support the district council in performing to its true potential and instead bullied the council, leading to serious misunderstanding, conflict and contradictions between the two.
Kani gade ka Pati CTV.